Hello and welcome. My name is Will Ortega and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. Today we're going to talk about ProPricer SOW view and BOE view features. These features allow you to quickly add and update a statement of work or basis of estimate text while it is linked to a summary field such as WBS, clean, bidder, etc. This can be done useful because it can give you the flexibility to manage your proposal statement of work or basis of estimate text throughout the structure of the proposal in a single tab. However, for this feature to work, you must link the SOW or BOE text to a summary field of your choice in the proposal properties. The summary field that the text is linked needs to be applied accurately throughout the proposals as well. To do this, let's start off with the proposal input page of the proposal properties. Here is where we will link SOW or a statement of work text to the summary field WBS. And we will link BOE or basis of estimate text to the summary field clean. Before we go any further, it's important to note that in order to link a summary field to SOW or BOE text, the summary field needs to meet one of two conditions. Either the data type of the summary field must be set to list, or the summary field needs to have a title table attached that is validated. All this can be done on the General Summary Fields page of the proposal properties. After this relationship is set up in the proposal properties, your proposal text can be applied at the WBS or clean level. Now, let's use the SOW view to view all the summary fields values in the proposal. As you can see, each WBS element is now listed in the top grid and the SOW text for each element can be edited in the bottom grid. Next, let's select BOE view. Each clean element is now listed in the top grid and the BOE text for each element can be edited in the bottom grid. In the SOW view and BOE view, you also have the ability to spread resources, trips, SERs, resource sets, and formulas at a task or summary field level. You can do this using these tabs above the lower grid. In summary, the BOE and SOW views make it way easier to edit your entire proposal text, and it's even easier when BOE or SOW text is linked to a summary field. You can also add, edit, or delete all the same data in the BOE or SOW view that you can in the default task view by using the tabs above the lower grid. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, or maybe even some tips and tricks of your own, I encourage you to post them in the community forum of the ProPricer support portal, or feel free to email us directly. Again, my name is Will Ortega. As always, thanks for watching.